Dear students, today we are going to see one more question. Okay, matrix, one more questions. Exercise 3.19. It's in page number 151. Okay, see from 12th question or in our exam, quarterly exam position. So I start with 12th question. Okay, 12th one. Graph of a linear polynomial is. The given options are straight line, circle, parabola, hyperbola. See here given linear polynomial. So linear means it's a straight line only. Answer first one, straight line. Then 13th one. The number of points of intersection of quadratic polynomial x squared plus 4x plus 4 with x-axis. Okay, see here they are asking number of point of intersection. See how many points of intersection in the quadratic polynomial. Usually quadratic means x has two values. Okay, so factorize this one. To find that values of x, factorize this one. Given polynomial is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay, factorizing this we get two values for x, that is x plus 2 into x plus 2, that is x equal to minus 2 minus 2. Both are same number, so x has one value, two answers, but both are same, so that is 1. Okay, one number of point of intersection. Answer second one 1. Next 14th one. For the given matrix A, find the order of matrix A transpose. Okay, they given one matrix A, they have to find order of matrix A transpose. Okay, so first to find A transpose. So first to find A transpose, that is transpose means I have to change rows into columns. Okay, so here first row is 1 3 5 7, so write that one in first column 1 3 5 7. Then second row, elements of second row are 2 4 6 8, write that one in second column 2 4 6 8. Then third row, the elements of third row are 9 11 13 15, write that one in third column 9 11 13 15. So now we get the A transpose. Now find order of this A transpose. Order means row by column. Okay, number of rows into number of columns. See here there are 4 rows, so 4, 3 columns, so 3. Answer is 4 by 3. Fourth option 4 by 3. Next 15th one. If A equal to 2 by 3 and B matrix is 3 by 4, how many columns does AB have? Okay, so see here A equal to 2 by 3 and B equal to 3 by 4. That 3 are same, equal. So that order of AB is 2 by 4, the remaining elements 2 by 4. In 2 by 4, see 2 is the row, first element is row, second one is column. So 2 denotes row, second that 4 denotes column. In our question they asked how many columns, so that columns means 4. Here 4 columns, therefore answer is second option 4. Next 16th question. If the number of columns and rows are not equal in a matrix, then it is said to be. See, number of rows and columns are not equal, that is it's different. Difference means it's in rectangular, so rectangular matrix. If number of rows and columns are equal, for example 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 3, equal means that is square. Not equal means 3 by 2, 4 by 3, 2 by 3. So that row and column are in different number. It's different means it's in the form of rectangle. So answer rectangular matrix. Second one rectangular matrix. Next 17th one, transpose of column matrix. Okay, transpose of column matrix is row matrix. So the answer is fourth one, row matrix. Then 18th one, find the matrix X if 2x plus 1 matrix equal to given and equal to something is given. Here you have to find the matrix X. For that, first you side change that matrix 1 3 5 7. So bring that one to right hand side. So 2x equal to 5 7 9 5 minus 1 3 5 7. Subtract these two matrix. We get 4 4 4 minus 2 as answer. This is value of 2x. Okay. Now find x. That means divide every element by 2. That is 4 by 2, 4 by 2, 4 by 2 minus 2 by 2. The answer is 2, 2, 2 minus 1. That is second option, 2, 2, 2 minus 1. Okay. Then 19th one. Which of the following can be calculated from the given matrix? Here 4 subdivisions are given. First one a squared, second one b squared, third one ab and fourth one ba. Okay, see, first I am finding a squared. A squared means a into a. Okay, to write the matrix a into 2 times. So here I write 1 2 3 4 5 into 1 2 3 4 5 5. See the order, 3 by 2 3 by 2. See that internal elements I underlined, no, that one, that 3 2 are not equal. So here multiplication is not possible. Okay, you can't multiply that one. So this is wrong, we can't find, not defined. Then take second one, b squared, b into b. See the order, 3 by 3, both 3 by 3. See the elements, that column of first matrix and row of second matrix. I underlined that one. Both are equal. So multiplication is possible. Okay. So we can find that multiplication. That one is, so then only I put tick. Third one, AB. See the order. Order of matrix A is 3 by 2. Order of matrix B is 3 by 3. See that column of first matrix and row of second matrix are not equal. That one 2, this is 3, so not equal. So here also multiplication is not possible, but not defined. So we can't find the multiplication. So I put wrong. Then fourth one, BA. I write B matrix first and A matrix next. See the order, 3 by 3, 3 by 2. Then same here. Column of first matrix and row of second matrix are equal, 3 3 equal. So multiplication is possible. So I put tick. So here we can calculate second and fourth. Okay. So the answer is third option, second and fourth. Next, 20th question. A is given, B is given, C. Which of the following statement are correct? Okay. First I take the first statement, AB plus BC. AB means multiplication. So first find order of A, 2 by 3. Order of B is 3 by 2. That column of first matrix and row of second matrix are equal. So multiplication is possible. I found the multiplication, that AB answer. I get 5470 as answer. Add this one with the C matrix. Okay. This 5470 plus C matrix is 0 1 minus 2 5. Add these two. Finally I get 5555. This is equal to our right hand side of first one. So this is correct. Okay. Then take the second one, BC. Here multiplication, multiply that 2. Okay. Check the order. Multiplication is possible. So multiply After multiplying BC, I get 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 3, minus 4, 10. This is equal to our right hand side. So, this one is also true. Okay, so the answer is first option 1 and 2 only. That is the answer. Thank you.